Wait! Before you buy any hosting, you need to see this. Right now on Hostinger, they're giving up to 80% off on their hosting plans. Yes, 80% off. But here's the thing. Most people stop there. And that's a mistake. Because there's a hidden extra discount that almost no one talks about. You can actually get an extra 10% off on top of that 80% deal. Here's exactly how. Step 1. Click the link in the description. Step 2. Choose your hosting plan. Step 3. Go to checkout. Now this is the important part. Enter the coupon code VIP4U. Instantly, you unlock an extra 10% discount. So now you're stacking discounts like crazy. But wait, there's more. You also get a free extra month, plus a 30-day money-back guarantee. So even if you change your mind, you lose nothing. This is literally one of the cheapest and safest ways to start a website in 2026. Whether it's a blog, business, portfolio, or online store, this deal covers everything.
But don't wait too long. These offers are limited time, and prices can go up anytime. Click the link in the description right now. Apply code VIP4U and lock in your maximum discount.